Okay, I got this IPL hair removal kit from You Like. It is a device that has lasers, and you use it regularly and it will stop hair growth. So we're gonna give it a try. It comes with glasses, safety glasses, always a good thing. It also comes with a carrying bag for the kit and the accessories. It comes with a razor because you need to be clean shaven. And a charger and a power cord. And I'm gonna have to use my regular glasses to see how this works, but then I'll switch it out. So you power it on. The fan goes on automatically. Okay, I think we should read the instructions. Got the instructions here. So quick start guide, perfect. So it has a treatment schedule in here, which is really nice. It talks about how IPL works. So the first thing you want to do is remove all visible hair, and you cleanse the treatment area and pat it dry. Don't use any gels or creams. And then you connect the power cord. And then wear your goggles. I'll put those on. And then you short press the on-off button to turn on the device. And then once the device is on, you short press to change the intensity levels. And you press the treatment button, which is here on the back, and the light will pulse. Okay. Look at that. So I didn't feel that at all. I had the intensity down pretty low. I felt maybe just like a tap, but no pain. If you can bear it, up the intensity, because the higher the intensity, the more effective the process is. But I'm gonna go slow to start. So, perfect. I'm gonna do this once a week, and yeah, I think it's a great thing to have. It's for me, shaving has become such a chore. I'm 54. I've been doing it all my life. I'm just tired of it. So I thought I would invest in one of these and spend a few months doing different parts of my body regularly so that I don't have to worry about it for the rest of my days. Hallelujah. So that's my plan. Again, I'm going to link it for you here. It's by You Like, and it's an IPL hair removal device.